The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Nakajingdan ka Jingïakynad Um-Snam harilom garo hakabaki judgment reu garo kim ailat yaki bamde reu lom ban shimbenta lani banya airang haka election MDC Shagaro Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC umentri rangba ka Jylla ula pentip bagani ka election la shimrai ban Pynsangeh shwa. Kani ka election kadai ban salong haka shpautrek yoyong arjar arpun rio barhaka sngis dang kajing thap kerteng yaki kertong men haka khandai trek ula ber arjar arpun rio kalami kajing ktakti yo esmatur mominen ubalawan thap kerteng kumu kertong klam seng banyakun na Sham Nagar MDC constituency. Haka porjan miet kalami ka huri hura ha chibinang batchan degree na lor ki weki jaka haka baki bom de reulom kila thang yaka office tray kam ka GSU bat pen praru yaki dukan bat ki yeng haka baki reulom garu kila hapan pedri. Kala danru ka jingjia syasiat yap arngot ki brio da ki bor pulet haki kenta bapenjari curfew hawas Garo Hills district haka step jong ka shpotare ulber arajar arpon rio. Umentri rangba ulaong bakal long kaman kamdan haka syong sok syong sngan bat kumta la Pynsangeh shwa yaka election haka ba ansi syong banyakran lano an penlong yaka.
Dear friends, keeping the current prevailing situation that is prevailing in Garo Hills right now and keeping the sentiments of the people in mind, the government of Meghalaya has decided to postpone the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. We will sit and we will decide on how to further take this procedure ahead. But till then, the decision has been made to postpone the elections. Kasara Rapingra Plak Talo J Garo Hills Obusarang Ongingachin Ya plak obosarang ko masih. Aur duntang manca mandirang ni niknekanirang ko nake. Meghalaya government ya Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ni election ko postpone kana decision ko raha.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya